This ergonomic flat-screen stand delivers multimedia presentations at any location with ease of moving. This is great for teleconferencing, lectures, and business meeting purposes. It is a highly reliable device that can be immediately deployed at any time. This rolling display monitor stand computer card is equipped with a large monitor display mounting bracket, smaller monitor display, keyboard and mouse tray, CPU holder, heavy-duty twin casters, and sturdy anti-rust coated metal frame. For more details, click the link in the video description.